Good morning, students. We have studied today about modern Europe. For the last 4 days, we have been learning about modern Europe. Now we have to study the remaining part of the lesson. Now we have learned about Reformation. Now we have to study or now we have to learn about Reformation. Reformation movement actually happened inside the Roman Catholic Church. That movement which happened inside the Roman Catholic Church is known as Reformation. The movement that happened inside the Roman Catholic Church is known by the name Reformation. What were the causes of Reformation we have learned? That particular movement which happened inside Roman Catholic Church is known as Reformation. The great movement that happened inside Roman Catholic Church is known by the name Reformation. What were the causes? Clergy. What is the meaning of this one? We have to think. Actually, this clergy people were expected to live a spiritual life. Clergy people. What is clergy? What is the meaning of clergy? Priestly class. Clergy or the priestly class people were expected to live a spiritual life. All the people believe that clergy must lead a spiritual life. Clergy or priest. All the people believe that the priest or the clergy must lead a spiritual life. But what the clergy of Europe did, they began to lead a material life. The clergy people began to live a material life. That was speciality. What is material life? Material life is that life which is not connected with God. That particular life which is not at all connected with God is known as material life. So, the clergy or the priest of Europe, what did the priest of Europe began to live a material life. They forget the God. They did not lead a life of spirituality. They did not lead a life of spirituality. They led a type of material life. By neglecting the God when they began to live, a material life, people of Europe became angry with the clergy. And clergy were not scholars. Clergy people were not scholars. Clergy, they were ignorant about so many things. So, the clergy people were ignorant about Bible and other spiritual things. They were ignorant. What is the meaning of ignorant? Having no knowledge. the clergy people were really ignorant about so many things. Clergy. The clergy people were ignorant about spiritual life. Clergy people had no knowledge about the spiritual life of Europe. The clergy people had no more knowledge about the spiritual life of Europe. They were ignorant about what? They were really ignorant about spiritual life, and they were ignorant about the Bible. What is the meaning of ignorant? Having no knowledge. The priestly class had no knowledge about spiritual life. In majority of the cases, they were living a material life. So, clergy people had no idea about the spiritual life of Europe. So that what happened? Because of this reason, what actually happened? Because of this reason, people began to hate them and embrace and pope. Emperors and what happened? There was a presence of emperors, kings, king of kings, or emperors of Europe were angry with the priestly class. What happened? Pope was the head of Roman Catholic Church. Pope. Now also Pope is the head of Roman Catholic Church. Now also, Pope is the head of Roman Catholic Church. Pope. Then what is it? Pope had all the powers in the land of Europe. In the land of Europe, Pope had all the powers. Pope had all the powers in the land of Europe. Pope had all the powers in the land of Europe. And sometimes Pope began to interfere in the political life of the German king, political life of the European kings. Pope began to interfere in the political life of the emperors. So emperors did not get any chance. Emperors did not get any chance to rule over their kingdom. Emperors. So what happened? There was a clash, there was a disagreement between emperors and the Pope. As a result of this disagreement, what happened? European emperors were waiting for a chance to show their revenge towards Roman Catholic Church. This was another reason for the development of Reformation, development of nationalism. During this time, what happened? Nationalism developed in Europe. What is nationalism? Nationalism is a feeling that we are the members of a country. Nationalism is a feeling that we all are members of a country. National feelings. So, during the time of Reformation, nationalism or national feelings developed in the land of Europe. Nationalism or national feelings developed in the land of Europe during this particular time. Development of nationalism was another reason behind the outbreak of Reformation? Then Renaissance. What is that? Renaissance. What was the meaning of Renaissance? Last day I told you people what is the meaning of Renaissance. Renaissance means rebirth. Renaissance means rebirth. Old or ancient French literature or Greek literature began to develop during this time. People began to read ancient Greece and French literature. They began to read ancient Greece and French literature. As a result of this, what happened? As a result of this reading, people began to think rationally. What is rationally? People began to understand what is good and what is bad. People knew or people began to understand what is good and what is bad thing. Or people began to develop scientific approach in their life. They developed scientific approach in their life. So what is that? Renaissance was another reason. Renaissance was another reason behind the outbreak of scientific approach. Or Renaissance was another reason for the coming of which one? Renaissance was another reason behind the coming of which one? Reformation. Then Bible. Bible is the book which has been printed and sold at the maximum number in the world. The biggest seller in the world is known as the Bible. The biggest seller in the world is known as the Bible. That is the meaning of Bible. Bible was really written first of all in Hebrew language, then in Latin language and Italian language also Bible was there. But common people were not able to read Bible in Hebrew or in Latin or Italian language. Common people were not at all able to read Bible. Common people were not at all able to read Bible in all these forms. Common or common people were unaware of reading Bible in all these languages. But during the time of Reformation, some great scientists or some great personalities translated Bible into the language of common men. They translated Bible into common man's language. Then what happened? Common people understood. What they understood? Common people understood that what the priest had been saying was wrong. They believed that, they understood that what is there in the Bible is different from the speeches of priests. Who understood that? Common people understood. When common people began to read, Bible, what happened? when common people began to read the Bible, Reformation movement started in the land of Europe. Reformation. Now we have to study what is the meaning of Reformation. Reformation really, or Reformation actually started after Renaissance. Reformation was a movement that started inside the Roman Catholic Church. The headquarters of Roman Catholic Church is Rome, or Rome is the headquarters of Roman Catholic Church. Rome is in the land of Italy. The headquarters of Roman Catholic Church is Rome, and Pope is the head of Roman Catholic Church. That particular movement which started inside Roman Catholic Church is known as Reformation. The movement that happened or started inside Roman Catholic Church is known by what name? It is known by the name Reformation. What were the causes of Reformation? What were the important or what were the major causes of Reformation that we have to think? First one, clergy people. Clergy means priestly class. The priestly class or clergy of Roman Catholic Church did not lead a spiritual life. They led only a material life. What is material? Material life means giving importance to money. Actually, what is the duty of priest? Actually, the duty of priestly class is to give importance to which one? God. But priest or purohit of Roman Catholic Church did not give importance to God, but they gave importance to money. They gave importance only to money. This was an important reason behind the outbreak of Reformation. Actually, priests should have given importance to spiritual affairs. They should have given importance to spiritual matters. Instead of giving importance to spiritual matters, priestly class began to give importance to money. So what happened? People became angry with the Roman Catholic Church. This was the first reason behind the outbreak of Reformation. No scholars, what is that? Majority of the priests of Roman Catholic Church were not at all scholars. Majority of the people of Roman Catholic Church were not at all scholars. They were ignorant of so many things. The priests of Roman Catholic Church were quite ignorant of spiritual matters. They were ignorant of spiritual affairs. When they were ignorant of spiritual affairs, what happened? People began to hate the priests of Roman Catholic Church. Next one. See, emperors. What is that? Emperors means kings of kings. During those days, so many emperors were there in the land of Europe. So many emperors were there in the land of Europe during this particular time. Emperors. So many emperors were there. They had their own powers, but Pope did not accept them. I told you now, Pope is the head of Roman Catholic Church, but Pope did not give any power to not give any power to the kings of Europe. Always the Pope was interfering in the affairs of Roman Catholic Church. Always the Pope was interfering in the affairs of Roman Catholic Church. Pope was always interfering in the affairs of Roman Catholic Church. Pope did not give any freedom to the emperors or kings of Europe. So, emperors or kings of Europe became angry with the Pope. So, a clash or a disagreement happened between Pope and the European kings. This disagreement resulted in which one? This disagreement resulted in which one? Reformation. During the time of Reformation movement, Roman Pope was attacked by the kings of Europe. Kings of Europe supported the Reformation people. Nationalism is a feeling that we all are. Nationalism is a feeling that we all are members of a nation. Such a feeling is known as nationalism. Nationalism is a feeling that we all are members of a nation. That is nationalism. Nationalism is such a feeling. So, nationalism developed in Europe during this time. Nationalism began to develop in Europe during this particular time. When nationalism developed in Europe during this particular time, people began to hate Roman Catholic Church. People of Europe began to think that they want what they want. People of Europe began to think that they want their state. They became angry with the kings of Europe. Next one, Renaissance. Renaissance actually happened before Reformation. Renaissance movement actually happened before Reformation. Renaissance developed thinking habit in the mind of the people. Thinking habit. Renaissance really developed thinking habit in the minds of the people. Thinking habit. Renaissance developed thinking behavior or thinking habit in the minds of the people. Renaissance. As a result of Renaissance, thinking habit began to develop in the minds of the people. When thinking habit developed in the minds of the people, people began to hate the Roman Catholic Church. Then scientific approach developed in the minds of the people, or people began to develop a kind of scientific approach. People began to develop a kind of scientific approach in their life. People, when they began to develop scientific approach in their life, what happened? People began to think rationally. What is rational thinking? Correct thinking. People began to develop rational thinking. As a result of rational thinking, what happened? People began to hate Roman Catholic Church. Bible. During this time, what happened? During this particular time, in the beginning, Bible was written in Hebrew language. Bible was written in Hebrew language. Then what happened? Later, from Hebrew language, Bible has been translated into different regional languages. from the Hebrew language. From the Hebrew language, Bible began to be translated into regional languages of India. Bible was translated into regional languages of India. Bible began to translate into regional languages of India. Local languages. When Bible is translated to local languages, people began to read Bible. People began to read the Bible. When people began to read the Bible, people understood that what the Christian people are telling is just opposite of what is there in the Bible. Because of this reason, people began to hate Roman Catholic Church. Then Martin Luther. Martin Luther. He was born in Germany. Martin Luther is known as the person who started Reformation. He was born in Germany, and after studies he joined as a priest in the Roman Catholic Church. He became an ordinary priest in the Roman Catholic Church. He worked as a teacher in the Wittenberg University. He joined as a teacher in the Wittenberg University during 1517 period. During 1517 period, he visited Rome. Rome is the headquarters of Roman Catholic Church. There, priest or the Pope is living. Pope is living in the city of Vatican. But when Martin Luther visited Rome, he understood that the priestly class were not at all leading a spiritual life. They were leading a material life. What he understood? Martin Luther understood that the people of Rome were leading a material life. People of Rome or the priestly class of Rome were leading a material life. Who understood that? Martin Luther understood that the priestly class who were there in Rome were leading a material life. That he understood. They were leading a material life. So, during in 1517 it happened. And pardon letters were there. Pardon letters. Pardon letters were there. Pardon. What is the meaning of this one? Pardon letters were published by Roman Catholic Church for those people who were suffering from sins. Wow. What is the meaning of this one? Roman Catholic Church during this time told to all the people of Europe that those who have committed sin, Papa, can escape from their Papa if they were ready to give money to the Roman Catholic Church. By receiving money, Roman Catholic Church was giving pardon letters to those people who have committed Papa or sin. But Martin Luther clearly told that. Martin Luther clearly told that all these things are wrong. Martin Luther clearly told or explained that all these things are wrong. Martin Luther told. Roman Catholic Church is having no right or power to give pardon letters to the people. There was idea or there was opinion of Martin Luther. So, what happened? A quarrel happened. A quarrel happened between Roman Catholic Church and Martin Luther. But so many kings of Europe, supported Martin Luther. The fight between Reformation activists and Roman Catholic Church went on for a long period of 30 years. I will say once more, what is the meaning of this one? What is the meaning of all these things? Once more I will tell you. We are reading about Martin Luther. Martin Luther is a person who started Reformation in Europe. It was Martin Luther who started Reformation in Europe. Martin Luther. It was Martin Luther who started Reformation in Europe. Martin Luther was born in the land of Germany. After his studies, he joined as a priest in the Roman Catholic Church. Martin Luther became a priest of Roman Catholic Church. Martin Luther. Then later he worked as a teacher in Wittenberg University of Germany. Then during 1517, Martin Luther decided to see the life of priest in Rome. The headquarters of Roman Catholic Church is Rome. There. He decided to study about the life of priest in the land of Germany. But when he reached in Rome, when Martin Luther reached in the land of Rome, he was wondered, he was astonished by seeing the material life of priest in Rome. And during those days, pardon letters were given by Roman Catholic Church to the people. Pardon letters. Those who had committed suicide were receiving these letters from Roman Catholic Church by giving money to the Roman Catholic Church. Pardon letters. Then Martin Luther clearly told that receiving and giving of pardon letters are wrong. Who told? Martin Luther told. Then a clash happened between Martin Luther and the Roman Catholic Church people. It went on for 30 years. But some kings of Europe began to support whom? Martin Luther. It continued for a period of 30 years. Results of Reformation. As a result of Reformation, Roman Catholic Church was divided into two classes. One class was Protestant class, another class was which one? One class was the Protestant class, another class was the Roman Catholic Church. As a result of Reformation, Roman Catholic Church was divided into two groups, the Protestant group and the Roman Catholic Church people. Then kings became free kings. As a result of Reformation, the European kings became free from the control of Pope. In the beginning, what was happening? In the beginning, Pope was controlling the kings of Europe. In the beginning, Pope was controlling the kings of Europe. But as a result of Reformation, kings became free from the control of Roman Catholic Church. Then nationalism. What is that? Nationalism developed in Europe during this time. Before Reformation, there was no national feelings in the minds of the people. But as a result of Reformation, a feeling that we all are the members of a nation began to develop. Then, wealth of the church. What happened? Wealth of the church began to be used by the European kings for the welfare or happiness of the people. Then what is that? During this time, literature also began to develop. During this particular time, what happened? Literature, Sahitya began to develop in Europe. So many types of, which one? So many types of, so many categories of literature began to develop in the land of Europe during this particular time. Then, Counter Reformation. What happened? Counter-Reformation movement was started by those people who were inside the Roman Catholic Church to save or to protect Roman Catholic Church from destruction. Reformation movement started against Roman Catholic Church. We know it. Reformation movement really started against Roman Catholic Church. But Counter-Reformation movement started inside Roman Catholic Church to protect Roman Catholic Church. So what were the results? What were the results of Reformation? Important or major results of Reformation. First one. As a result of Reformation, Roman Catholic Church was divided into two groups, two classes. One is Old Roman Catholic Church and second one is Protestants, kings. Before Reformation, the kings were under the control of Pope. Before Reformation, the kings were completely under the control of Pope. Now what happened? The kings became free from the control of Roman priests. Nationalism. Before Before Reformation, there was no question of nationalism. Nationalism or national feelings did not develop in Europe before Reformation. Before Reformation. Before Reformation or before Reformation movement. Before Reformation movement. Nationalism or national feelings were not there in the land of Europe. Nationalism or national feelings were not there in the land of Europe before Reformation. But after Reformation, nationalism began to develop. A feeling began to develop in the minds of the people that we all are members of one nation. Church life. The kings began to take the wealth of Roman Catholic Church for developmental purposes. Literature. During the time of Reformation, or during the Reformation time, what happened? During the time of Reformation, or during Reformation time, what happened? Literature began to develop. During Reformation time, what happened? Literature began to develop. So many literature began to develop in national and regional languages. Literature began to develop in national and regional languages. Counter-Reformation. I already told what is the meaning of Reformation. Reformation was a movement that started inside Roman Catholic Church against the Roman Catholic Church. Reformation movement was against Roman Catholic Church, but Counter-Reformation movement started inside Roman Catholic Church to protect Roman Catholic Church from further divisions or problems. These were the results of Reformation. Dear children, I hope that you are able to follow this video. You watch this video. Read the same topic in the textbook. If you do have doubts, you call me again.